Hi everyone! Do you know what the most useful pigment for making greens is? It's nickel azo yellow made with PY150. Don't believe me? Well, let's hear it from Roman Szmal himself.
I believe the most useful pigments for making greens is nickel azo yellow P1Y50. You can mix almost every green shade by using that pigment. That's why most pigments is my favorite colors for mixing greens.
So I saw this interview over a year ago, and well, coincidentally, PY150 is also my #1 choice for yellows, as you may have seen from my signature palette video. I'll leave a link below as well for those who haven't seen it already. For those who have never tried this pigment, let me explain why this is definitely a must-try or must-have yellow. Although color is relative, most colors can be described as being warm or cool tone. However, nickel azo yellow is one of the unique colors in that it can be both warm and cool. You'll see here that in mass tone, or when layered, it's as if it were a warm yellow-brown. But then, once you add more water, it becomes somewhat of a middle yellow in the mid-tones. And when diluted even further, the hue shifts to a cool lemon yellow. Not only that, it's also highly light-fast, very transparent, and has its own characteristic glow that other yellows cannot achieve. There are so many combinations we can explore to mix greens with this yellow, so today I'm only going to focus on two pigment mixes, this nickel azo yellow PY150 and another blue or green pigment. I'm going to put on some music and we can all relax together while swatching the various mixes. And here are the mixes when completely dry in daylight. The warm blues really make it easy to mix muted natural greens. The phthalos are just so pungent. I think this nickel azo yellow is definitely one of the only yellows that could stand a chance against strong tinting phthalos because as a yellow, it's a high tinting pigment itself, extremely powerful. Having swatched these mixes for the first time myself, there are a few that I'm so happy to discover. Like this mix with cobalt teal. Both of the pigments are extremely vibrant on their own, so when mixed together, we get this extremely animated cool green. And then this mix with Smalt Blue PV15 is almost like a gray-green, absolutely stunning. I always say I'm not a green person, but I think it's mainly because I hadn't explored enough. Of course, I can't end this video without showing you my favorite green, Roman Szmal's Autumn Green, which also has PY150 in it. What about you? Is PY150 also a must-have in your palette? What about your favorite green mix? Please do share with us all in the comments below. I'm so interested to discover more of this wonderful world of greens. As always, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.